In this video, I share with you the 5 main reasons why you struggle to declutter your home and how you can overcome that. Hi, I'm Linnea. I help female entrepreneurs streamline their life so that they can get more time for what really matters. If you're interested in my services, go to the description below. During the last few weeks, several friends of mine have told me, oh Linnea, if you want to do something great for the world, you should definitely go into helping people declutter their homes. So I thought I would record this video and share my best advice. I know it is really hard for some people to declutter, but it's definitely worth it. It gives me personally a sense of freedom about not having so much stuff around me. Point 1 is that you want to keep an item just in case, because you think that you might use it someday in the future. So in this case, to overcome it, be realistic about when actually would you use this item or this piece of clothing. So is it, what kind of scenarios could you think about? So often for me, it's like, yeah, I could use those pants when I'm invited to a costume party, of course. So when was the last time I was invited to a costume party? Me? My kids? Yeah, but me? And or often I say, okay, I will use this shirt when I will redecorate at home. So that when I paint and when I do stuff so that I don't, I mean, things that I can throw away. So it's clothes that I basically could throw away and I would only use them when I need to get really dirty. Well, how often does that happen? And won't I have another shirt? That would most certainly be, it will be in several years from now when I will redecorate next time, and I'll probably have another t-shirt at that time that I can throw away. When it comes to toys, I sometimes tell myself, okay, yeah, I'll keep those toys, which are for like babies, and I don't have babies at home anymore, because we might have small children coming over to play. Well, how probable is that? And do I really need to keep like a big bag of baby toys? No. Somebody else in the world will need those toys more than me. Number 2 is feeling wasteful. That you feel that you have already spent money on that item, so you should keep it. Or that it is something that is actually working and you could use it, so you should keep it. Well, there's so many people in the world that could use that item and that would need that item, instead of having it in your garage and thinking that maybe someday you will use it. And you've already spent the money, so what sense would it make to keep it? You've already spent the money, so it doesn't really matter. Number 3 is feeling guilty about giving away something, feeling obliged to keep it, because it might be something that you have received as a gift, or it might be something that has been in your family for a long time. So let's start with a gift. A gift has already served its purpose when you received it as a gift. So if you are not using this item, what you could do is take a picture of it. Like I used to keep cards, like birthday cards, but I don't anymore because I had too many. So I took pictures on them and now I store them on my iPhone. Remember that you get to decide what you want to have in your home. So if we think about something that has been in your family for a long time, of course you don't want to get rid of it without involving your family, without asking your family if they will use it, somebody else in your family will use this item. Also think about who is it that will that is making you feel that you really need to keep the item, and sit with that feeling for a while. Try and analyze it and understand why you're feeling that way. Remind yourself that memories are not in physical items. Memories are inside of you. Of course, physical items may help you remember things, but as I said, you can take a picture of the item and it will be probably close to having the item with you. Number 4 is feeling overwhelmed by having to declutter a whole house or a whole apartment. And I know about this since I grew up with a father who's really struggling to get rid of things. So as with any big project in your life, you need to divide it into smaller steps, to take baby steps. How do you eat an elephant? You eat it piece by piece. So you need to divide the big decluttering work. So maybe today you start with just one drawer. To have a decluttering plan really helps. so that you can take it step by step. But you can also try and go into that mindset of decluttering. So whenever you do go on with your daily activities, when you find an item that you don't need anymore, you put it aside. Reason number 5 is that you don't know what to do, where to go with all the stuff that you don't need anymore. To sell, to give away to charity, and to throw away. If you haven't decluttered in the past, you probably don't know where to sell stuff in your town, where to give away stuff to charity, and where to throw away stuff. So if we start with the selling, usually it's done online nowadays, but if you have kids, it might be a fun thing for them to like go and sell their toys themselves. In my town, it's usually organized once a month that you can go to a market, you get a table, you pay like €10, and then you get a chance to sell your stuff there. Number 2 is for the where to give away to charity, and I know several places in my town where I can give away to charity. There's one place, you know, for where you can give like anything. Then there are lots of places, containers in the whole town where you can throw away clothes, or we can give clothes to charity. So make a quick internet search on that to understand where you can give away stuff to charity. And then to throw away stuff, that's probably you know where to go, but if you don't, make an internet search on that one as well. Let me know in the comments below which of those 5 things you are struggling the most with, and if any of the advice I gave you in this video resonated with you. I would love to hear that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and give the video a like when you are at it. I wish you a great day and good luck with your decluttering.